everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the 6 and 7 count riffs. So, if you haven't watched my previous video on a 5 count riff, I would recommend going back and watching that one first, because the 6 and 7 and so on, they all build on this 5 count. So, you can find the link to that video in my description below. And let's get started on learning the 6 and 7. So, 5 count riff, if you remember, it has 5 sounds to it. You have the step, the scuff, the heel drop, the dig, and then the toe. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can literally count it out. That's why it's called a 5 count riff. So a 6 count riff, as you can expect, as you can assume, has 6 sounds. So it starts like a 5 count riff. You have a step, you have the scuff, heel drop, and then the toe. To make it to get that extra sound, to make it a 6 count, you're then gonna, after you drop your toe, pick up your heel and drop it again to make it a 6. So again, 6 count riff is step, scuff, heel drop, dig, toe drop, and then rock forward to get that last heel drop. So all together it should sound like this. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, try that again. Again, here we go. Good. If you wanted to do it a little bit faster, say you wanted to do more of like a riff walk, like we learned in the 5 count riffs, you're going to quicken up, speed up that toe scuff or the step scuff heel. That's the main part of it, to speed up. So step scuff heel, heel toe, dig toe, and then heel. Okay, the ending is a little bit awkward on this one. The even ones tend to be kind of weird rhythms. The odd numbered ones tend to be a little bit better when you're doing riff walks. So let me show you the back now. 6 count riff. You have step, scuff, heel drop, dig, toe, heel. Try that again. Again. Good. Let's try some left foot now. So to the side, step, scuff, heel, dig, toe, heel. You can probably tell that I'm putting a pause, a space between that toe drop and then the heel drop. That's just how it works with the 6 count riff. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. So again, nice and slow left foot. Step, scuff, heel, dig, toe, heel. Again. Now left foot from the back. Step, scuff, heel, dig, toe, heel. Here we go. Again. One more. Good. Nicely done. Let's try a few in a row now, starting on our right foot. A little bit quicker. Here we go. 4 in a row, and let's go about this tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Try that again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's start left foot now. Here we go. Left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try a little bit faster now, more like riff walks. So like I said, you're going to speed up that step, scuff, heel. Okay? Like I said, the rhythm's a little bit awkward for the even numbered riffs. So try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Left side. Here we go. Faster tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Nicely done. Once we make them faster, make sure to keep them underneath yourself. Make the movements smaller, and then it gets easier to do faster. Right? And then you can travel. You don't travel as much, but you can travel more in a shorter space of time. So let's go ahead and try the number 7 now. So 7 count riff. You're going to start the same as a 5. So kind of forget that last heel that you just did with the 6. Start like it's a 5. Toe, scuff, heel, dig, toe. Now what you're going to do is you're now going to do back heel drops first. That's now number 6. And then front heel is going to drop after that. That's number 7. So again, it's toe, scuff, heel, dig, toe, back heel, front heel. And then your left foot is ready to go. Here we go. Let's count it out with the numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. Good. Let's try left side, nice and slow. So again, it's step, scuff, heel, dig, toe. This is where we change it. Back heel, front heel. Again. One more time. Good. Let me show you back view on this one. Here we go. Step, scuff, heel, dig, toe, back heel, front heel, right foot. Again. One more time. Left side, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. One more time. Good, nicely done. Let's try 4 in a row, this nice slow tempo. Here we go. And right foot starts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, let's try left foot now. 4 in a row. Here we go, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try it faster now. Riff walks. Number 7 is a riff walk. Here we go. And again, you're going to speed up that step, scuff, heel. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. Try left side now. Here we go. 4 in a row. Remember to get that step, scuff, heel nice and quick before you start them. Right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for more tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.